Congratulations on making the choice. You're one step closer to owning a home. We'd love to welcome you to the Home Buyers Crash Course. If you're wondering why we chose to do this, it's something that really hasn't been done before. And well, we're rebels of the industry. So get a pen, paper, and prepare to make lots of helpful notes, because in this course, you will learn where you should start, the home purchasing process, how long it will take you, and what not to do during to jeopardize the purchase. How many professionals will be involved in your home purchasing process, and one of the most frequently asked questions, how much money do I really need in order to buy a house? All of that and much more is packed into this Home Buyer Crash Course. Can't wait to show you.
To get the most out of this course, please set the time aside and watch the video uninterrupted. And check out downloadable materials below. They will help you to follow along and make notes. Read the description, as we've put together information that we know you'll find helpful. And please complete the video assignments. All right, you are set to gain the clarity of the next step of purchasing a home. Let's begin.